Hello guys, welcome back to Imani SL YouTube channel. So as I always promising you all guys, I have brought a new website where you can start mining BTC. So this website is a new one where they are giving us a free bonus, like they will give 1000 hash power as a bonus. So it is going to be a good website guys. As of now there were like more than 35 to 40,000 signups right now. So I hope this website is going to be a good one where they will pay. Where they will give us to do withdrawals. So guys, before going to the video, guys, I would like to request you all. If you all haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it now and click that bell button so you can have all the notifications when I upload a new video like this. So guys, than taking much time, I will take you all to the website. So the website name is called automining.cc. So the link for this website I have put it in the description, so you can go to the description and take that link to this website. So apart from this guys, before we go to the website, so I want to ask you all, do you all have a Faucet Pay account? If you all don't have a Faucet Pay account guys, please sign up for a new account, so you because you want to have your Bitcoin wallet address here. So if you all haven't gone through my that video where you can create a Faucet Pay account very easily, so the link for that also given below in the description. So you take that as well. You can take that link and go and create a new Faucet Pay account. So this is the website. When you go to that this website link guys, it will show you an interface like this. So once you are in the website guys, what you will have to do is like just click this register button. So once you click this register button, they will ask your Bitcoin wallet address. So just give your wallet address here and just give a password which you can remember. So once you give this guys, just click this terms and condition, this tick box. Once it is done, just click sign up. So it's very easy. Once you click sign up button, you will be automatically rerouted to the dashboard. So that means you have successfully created your account. So once you created the account guys, it will take you to a interface like this where you will have your dashboard. So I'll just once again click the dashboard and I will show to you. Here actually I also have started mining. So I also have actually started joining. I already joined to this website. So as I told you all, we can see like how many see as of now I have mined this much. So this is going to be a good website. Right now the reviews for this website is like, it says like they are paying. They are giving the withdrawals, but I still recommend you like will hold it for some time until without doing any deposits. That is my suggestion. So I will 100% confirm you all once I have a withdrawal, a successful withdrawal. Then I will let you all know like okay, it is fine to do a deposit. So until that time, I request you all to hold it on. If you all want to take a risk, always there will be a risk for whatever you do. But I still suggest you, since this is a new website, we'll just wait for some time and see how how we can do a withdrawal and how long they are going to take for your withdrawal. To give that withdrawal. So guys, once you are inside this website, see in the beginning I said that you all will get 1000 hash power. So here they have gifted you that, and here is your daily earning. So this is the website, so it is not that much, but I will tell you like how you can how you can get more hash power and little bit. How to mine little bit faster than this. So what you have to do is like try to get more referrals. So from referrals you can earn a commission. They will give you hash power. So I will show you like how this referrals how the referrals we can do. So basically this is your referral address. The referral link. You can share this with your friends or anyone whom you know like interested in cryptocurrency. So try to get more referrals as much as you can. And since this is a new website, we can have some hope that they will give some good withdrawals. So guys, this is it. I mean, there is not much explanation is required, I hope, because it's a new website and it's not having that much complicated registration part also. So I hope you all understood like how to create it. So once again, I'm telling you all, if you all don't have a FowSetPay account, please have a FowSetPay account and then come to register here, because for sure they will ask you for your wallet address for Bitcoin. So guys, I hope you all will start mining today. So if you will do a withdrawal faster than me, please let us also know. Put a comment below there, or else if you all want to know anything, please put a comment below. So for sure I will reply on this. So guys, for today I will stop this video. So I hope you guys understood everything, and I again request you all, if you all haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it now, so you all can get new updates soon after I upload a video. So hope to see you all again. I will come back with a cool video once again. I will soon after I get to know about new websites regarding the Bitcoin or any online money, how to earn it. So for sure I will come back to you with a new video, guys. So until that, see you and take care.